Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses, relays for the airbag module and also known as Airbag Light on Mercedes C-Class generation W205, guys. Now we'll explain where you can find them. There will be some hidden fuse boxes. We'll talk about that. Guys, consider this video for entertaining purposes only. This is not a how-to video. Do not attempt anything unless you're, I would recommend only to be qualified and certified to work on airbag systems, because otherwise, guys, okay, you can end up causing problems with the airbag system that can malfunction and can cause injuries or death. So you have to be qualified, certified. Consider this video for entertaining purposes only. Quick reminder, you need to disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour, and if you that are qualified and certified to work on airbags, and if you don't know which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first, that way you don't burn modules and computers, we have a special video that will explain that as well. By the way, if you need to buy, guys, replacement parts and tools, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can, guys. All we need in return, please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, the Airbag Light, also known as the Airbag Module fuses and relays, we will show you where you can expect to find them. Quick, guys, advice from us. 9 out of 10 owners of that generation Mercedes C-Class do not know about all the different 6-7 different hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video people told us save them thousands of dollars in repairs. And what we need to do now, we need to open first the driver door. When you do that, on the side of the dash here you have that cover pried open. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here, guys, what we need to check. Okay, you wonder now, okay, what we're going to be checking here. 2 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box, check a few more. We're talking about fuse 219 right here, you need to check, and fuse 218. These 2 fuses are super important fuses that will need to be checked. Next, what you guys need to do, you need to come to the passenger side, open the passenger door, and here on the side of the A pillar in the footwell compartment you have one cover pried open, and behind it you have another fuse box that looks just like this one here, guys. And here specifically what we need to check, fuse number 316. You see that fuse right here? That's the one that you will, guys, need to check. You don't have any relays. The relay function is controlled by the module. Practically you just have these fuses that are known as relay fuses that we needed to check on our Mercedes here. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.